Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a very simple but yet sexy and beautiful makeup look. So to begin, I'm gonna apply my favorite eyeshadow base at the moment, and this is by P.Louise in the shade number 2. I'm gonna spread it out all over the lid using the tip of my fingers because I feel like it blends better. And then today I'm gonna use this gorgeous luxury palette by Samways. I love the colors. Oh my god, look at this. So to begin, I'm gonna use this cream shade below my brows and also a little bit in the tear duct area to highlight. Next, I'm gonna use this amazing golden pink shade all over the lid because it's very beautiful. So I'm gonna use this color today. And to apply this beautiful pink shade, I'm gonna use a angled shader brush. This brush is by Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna link down below for you guys the link of my favorite brush set with Sigma Beauty as well in case you're interested. And now in my crease, I'm gonna use just a little bit of this warm brown eyeshadow just to define my eyes more. And to highlight the tear duct area, I'm gonna use this light pink shade with a lip brush. From here, you can apply your fake lashes and mascara, or you can just do your eyeliner, regular eyeliner I mean, but I'm gonna create a soft cat eye effect with a smudge eyeliner. So I'm gonna use the gray eyeshadow from the palette, and with an angled brush, I'm gonna apply in the other corner of my eyes, creating the shape of my cat eye effect. I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow in the lower lash line as well, just to define my eyes more. And to blend the eyeliner, I'm gonna use this kind of burgundy shade, which is so beautiful in the eyeliner and also in the lower lash line, just to smudge it out. The mix of all these colors together will create a beautiful gradient of colors in my makeup look, and this is how I finished, so I just have to apply my fake lashes and mascara. And then I'm gonna finish off my face using the Hot Mama blush by the Balm Cosmetics. I love this blush so much. I have been using a lot lately and it's very beautiful. I really love the glow. So I'm gonna apply using the Spotlight Duster brush by Sigma, my favorite brush ever. And then I'm gonna add a little more definition and bronze to my face, a little more shadow. And for it, I'm gonna use a amazing product by the Balm Cosmetics, and this is the Balm Dessert. I really love this bronzer so much because it's light shade, so it matches with my skin very well. And to finish off my skin, I'm gonna use this amazing mini highlighter by Benefit Cosmetics, and this Dandelion. I really love the color. I love how it glows in my skin because it's very beautiful but not so blinding. So I just apply a little bit and it looks very natural. I really love the color. It's everything beautiful about this highlighter. So I'm gonna apply in the highest points of my face using a big fluffy brush. And to conclude this makeup look, you can use anything that you like in your lips because the eye is very neutral, so it matches with everything. I'm gonna use this gorgeous shade called Rose by Samways. Oh my god, look at this red. It's stunning. And that's it for this video. I really hope that you love it much as I do. I love how this look turned out because it's very beautiful, glamorous and sexy at the same time, but without looking exaggerated. Down below what you think about this makeup look, and also give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I really love to have you here with me. For me, it's a great time. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work. This is Melissa Samways, and comment down below what I want to see next here in my channel. I will be so happy to know. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!